In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to favorite a product on Alibaba and how this is going to make your product searching and sourcing on Alibaba.com very easy and straightforward. So with that being said, so let's have a tutorial and see how you can use a favorite product tab on Alibaba.com. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about China importation business, you'll be notified. And also, if you want to check on more tutorial about China importation and e-commerce business, you can visit my channel for more. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can use a favorite tab on Alibaba.com. So first thing first, you need to open up your Alibaba, just like what you see on the screen right here. You can begin to scroll down and see more product. Let's for instance, you see a product like this. Let's for instance, you see this product here, but you are not ready to make a purchase. Okay, so you can just click on the product. So when you click on the product, it opens up this way. Okay. Next thing you want to do, you check the product picture. You can play on the video, swipe to left and right and see more information about the product. Now, you don't want to buy this product now and you don't want to miss this particular link. What you need to do is to come down here, click on this love icon. So we click on this love icon, it's going to be added into your favorite product. For you to maybe after some days, some months or some weeks, you are ready to purchase this particular product, all you have to do is to go back to your profile, click on here to go back to your profile, and then when you get back to your profile, then you have to scroll down and then you click on my favorite. All right, so from the very point here, you're going to see every product you have favorite in the past or in the present. You're going to see everything right here. So you're ready to make a purchase. All you have to do is to click on the product link and start a deal with the seller. So once you click on the product link, you can start communication with the seller, or you start to place your order. For you to make a consultation with the seller, you just have to click on chat now and submit your order, or you start or send an inquiry about this particular product to the seller. From there, you communicate with them and finalize a deal. So this is how, and these are the purpose of using favorite tab on Alibaba.com. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also for more tutorial like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to check on more tutorial about importation business from China, visit my channel for more tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.